Yeah, hi, my name's Andy Brennan from Brennan Machine Company Incorporated. My dad and I, we started in 1975 down the cellar. Brennan Machine, it's in my blood, you know. I ate, slept, drank, took care of my children. I brought all my work home. I deburred parts in front of the machine. It's in my blood, and it always will. And as you can see, blood, we have all our children here.
When we started out down the cellar, and you'll take a look at us now. We try to keep up every year with new technologies and try to keep everything going smooth and into the future. We want to see Brennan Machine thrive into the future. I've been here, I've worked two places. It's the second place. I've been here most of my life. And we want to see it succeed into the future with all the youth coming in, and hopefully it will do well for all the youth coming up.
Well, over the last 40 years, the business has grown from the cellar to this building, expanding, and just getting new technology in here to keep up with our customers, you know, and it's been great. It's been hectic, but it's been good. Our customers mean to us everything. I mean, without them, we're nothing. And what we try to strive for is the best part that we can give to them, and everything is good.
When I first started here, I didn't even know how to program. I didn't know anything about it. Through the course of the years, learning from the person next to you, learning from the foreman, Kyle, they trained, and there's always room for advancement. Now, as of today, I'm in charge of the shop floor now. What manufacturing in general means to me is that we're making a fine, US-made product.
Quality is so important because without quality, you got nothing. You got to keep it quality, keep the suppliers happy, and make sure nothing comes back and bites you. From my perspective, I'm excited about the transition. I'm excited to be a part of it, and I think moving forward, we're just going to keep improving, and which we've done through the past couple of years. It's just adding on, improving, and just making our methods of whether it be measuring better, more accurate, and more advanced, and keeping up with the times. Brennan Machine, it's been around for over 50 years now, and we pride ourselves in quality, and it's family owned and small business, and we do our damnedest to keep everything as good as possible.
So this business started in 1975 in my grandfather's cellar, and here we are today. We've expanded our capacity, our capability, and at the same time, it's still a small family business, and that's a huge part of what is important to us, our families, our employees, and it all comes down to, you know, being customer driven though, and that's why we're here, and that's why we are still here, because we want to meet those customer requirements. We want to keep improving. So, you know, we're always going to strive for that high quality and that on-time delivery. So if you're interested in working with us, Brennan Machine's here, we're going to stay here, and we hope to work with you soon.